Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to review rotring 300 2mm clutch pencil. Just look at that, how it works. This is a unique clutch pencil with different leads within mechanism. If you want to take the leads out, just press on the top and you can release the lead. Now if you want to replace one, press and hold the top and you can replace another one. Or if you want to sharp the point of this pencil, rotring provides you a sharpener on the top. You can take it off and sharp the point, then you can fix it. In addition to this, by rotating this part at the top, you can load a lead of the required size in this pencil and use it.